Hey guys, so OpenAI just released its most advanced text-to-video model called SORA, and it is absolutely incredible. In the last video, we introduced SORA, but now we will go through deep analysis of OpenAI SORA model. In this video, we will talk about how SORA works, how it can be used in making movies, trailers, and what will be its future, so let's get started. The prompt for this video was, a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boots, and carries a black purse. How perfect it is! SORA is based on a deep neural network, which is a type of machine learning model that can learn from data and perform complex tasks. SORA uses a large data set of videos that it has learned from, covering various topics, styles, and genres. SORA analyzes the text prompt and extracts the relevant keywords, such as the subject, the action, the location, the time, and the mood. It then searches for the most suitable videos from its dataset that match the keywords and blends them together to create a new video. SORA also uses a technique called style transfer, which allows it to modify the appearance and feel of the video according to the user's preferences. For example, if the user wants a video with a cinematic style, shot on 35mm film, and with vivid colors, SORA can apply these effects to the video, changing the lighting, color, and camera angles. SORA can generate videos with resolution up to 1920 x 1080 and up to 1080 x 1920. It can also create videos based on a still image or extend existing footage with new material. The best possible applications of SORA are that it can create movie trailers, short films, animations, and documentaries from text scripts. SORA can help filmmakers and storytellers to visualize their ideas and concepts and create compelling and original videos. SORA can also help viewers to discover new and interesting content based on their preferences and interests, enhancing existing videos with new elements, such as adding special effects, changing the background, or inserting new characters. SORA can help video editors and producers to improve and modify their videos and add more variety and creativity. SORA can also help viewers to enjoy more personalized and interactive videos based on their feedback and input. Generating educational videos from text summaries, such as explaining scientific concepts, historical events, or cultural phenomena. SORA can help educators and learners to create and access informative and engaging videos that can enhance their understanding and retention. Creating personalized videos for social media, such as birthday greetings, travel diaries, or memes. SORA can help social media users and influencers to create and share unique and fun videos that can express their personality and emotions. SORA can also help viewers to connect and interact with their friends and followers based on their likes and comments. Now in this phase, we talk about what are the challenges and limitations of SORA? SORA is not perfect, and it still faces some challenges and limitations. Some of them are, SORA is not publicly available, and it is only accessible to a small group of researchers and creative professionals for feedback and testing. OpenAI has not announced when or how it will release SORA to the general public, or what the pricing and licensing model will be. SORA is subject to OpenAI's terms of service, which prohibit the use of the model for creating content that involves extreme violence, sexual content, hateful imagery, celebrity likeness, or the IP of others. OpenAI also monitors the usage of SORA and reserves the right to revoke access or modify the output if it detects any violation or abuse. SORA may generate inaccurate, inappropriate, or harmful content, such as misrepresenting facts, violating privacy, or promoting bias. SORA may also generate content that is indistinguishable from reality, which could pose ethical and social risks, such as spreading misinformation, manipulating emotions, or eroding trust. SORA may not be able to handle complex or ambiguous prompts, such as those that involve multiple sentences, logical reasoning, or abstract concepts. SORA may also fail to generate coherent or consistent videos, such as those that require temporal continuity, causal relationships, or narrative structure. These were some of the best possible explanation and outcomes of SORA. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about SORA. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Thank you.